Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best AC TIG welder you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many AC TIG welder and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each AC TIG welder so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an AC TIG welder. First, focus on the type of metal you plan to weld, as aluminum and magnesium require AC output, while steel often works better with DC. Next, check the machine's amperage range. Higher amperage offers flexibility for thicker materials. Duty cycle is also crucial because it determines how long you can weld before the machine needs to cool down. Look for good arc stability and smooth start features to make welding easier and cleaner. Portability matters too. Compact models are ideal for small workshops or field jobs. Lastly, consider the brand reputation, warranty, and after-sales service for long-term reliability. These key points help you choose a welder that fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.